Django setting time_zone in databases has no effect with date lookup. Update April 8, 2019. This is a known bug for Django, equals 2.2, fixed as of this PR. Equals 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 equals. We assume the MySQL backends. I can set time_zone several times in settings.py, one for the global Django app, and one for each database. See this URL, ref1. Typical usage would be for a legacy database where date times are not stored in UTC. No date lookup. Querying my database takes this setting into account, for example, in settings.py. In the manage.py shell. This works because my database reads July 6, 2017 20 column 50 column 00. With date lookup. Related doc, this URL, ref2. But this does not work, while it logically should. The related SQL query from debug is. Note that I haven't filled the time zone table in MySQL, so the result should be true in this case, but could be false close to midnight. Related doc is, this URL. Two things are wrong. First, conversion should be from Paris to Paris, instead of UTC to Paris. The conversion should go from the database timezone TZ2 to the Django app 1 TZ1. Indeed from ref1. When use_tz is true and the database doesn't support time zones, for example SQLite, MySQL, Oracle, Django reads and writes date times and local time according to this option if it is set and in UTC if it isn't. And ref2. When use_tz is true, fields are converted to the current time zone before filtering. Secondly, when tz1 equals tz2, there should be no need to use convert_tz and the query will work without time zone tables in MySQL. The explicit queries are: Why is UTC appearing in the query? Should it not be Europe/Paris? Am I misunderstanding something from the doc, or is it a bug? Thank you. Edit, my system TZ is not UTC, if this is any help.
This behavior is to be expected since Django's code reads .py. The database-specific time zone is ignored to the profit of UTC. For what it's worth, I've opened a ticket on Django project, and its related pull request. Replaced it by
From the documentation. When use_tz is true and the database doesn't support time zones, for example SQLite, MySQL, Oracle, Django reads and writes datetimes in local time according to this option if it is set and in UTC if it isn't. So, it seems, from your IC code, like your server time zone, equals dbtz equals local time, since legacy, is UTC. Hence, due to your settings, use _tz equals true and tz equals Paris, the conversion from UTC to Paris tz is happening. Thus, you have misunderstood the docs and it is not a bug.
If you want to simulate, please consider subscribing.